Hey there, this is how you sync your product to Lazada. Alright, so log into your Kumoten dashboard, seller account. Alright, once you have logged in, at the left side here you got product, click on product, and then you select the product that you wanted to sell. Alright, so let's say I want to sell this product. I click on add to my store. Alright, okay, so let's say there is other product. Let's say I want to sell this product. Then if you want to sell this product, click on add to my store. Alright, after you finish choosing the product that you want to sell on Lazada, on your right hand corner here, click on your user ID, then you go to my store. Alright, my store here is the things that you just now have added and you want to sync. Now you can see here the sync button. This is black and white, which means that this product is not synced to Lazada. For this product got color, means that this is already synced to your store at Lazada. Alright, so easy, just click on the button, Lazada button, and then here you just choose on which category you want to put in. Right, click on next. Alright, so this title is generated by our AI system. Alright, you just ignore this because this is my username, but it will come up with your store name lah. So this is unique to you. Alright, and it's AI generated. Okay, so this highlight section here, you can put whatever you want. It will appear right here. Alright, this right here. So maybe you can put the title back here. Alright, so let's say Kipas Major. Alright, so I'll copy this maybe, then I'll put here. So you can put anything you want to keep the readers to read down. Alright, and the product description already automated, and then you just fill in those information that you needed to be filled in here, all automated. Alright, so you have done setting everything. Click on sync to Lazada. Okay, once it's done, it will pop up which said, alright, good job, your product has been successfully uploaded. Means that it's already synced to Lazada. Alright, so you can double check here, the icon is now in color. Alright, if you want to double check, you can log into your Lazada seller account. Alright, this is my Lazada seller account. You go to product, manage product, and you can see the fan that I synced just now, it's already here. You can double check right here. Yeah, so that is how easy it is to upload to sync a product to your Lazada store.